Hi guys, today I will explain how to transcribe video in Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application, once it will be open. This one is the first interface you will see after signing in your account. The next thing is, we will create a video by clicking on the option, Create a New Video. And as you can see, the timeline has been open and it's empty. The first thing is, we will import our media from our computer by clicking on the option Import Media. And I select this from my PC in order to add in our timeline. Take your mouse cursor on the video and click on the option plus. And as you can see, the video has been added to my timeline. Now time to enable the captions. Adding captions in Clipchamp is way simple. We don't need to add captions by ourselves. Just take a look on the right top, you can see the option of caption. Just click on it and tap on the option Try Now. Now this one is the language. Click on it and choose your language. A lot of languages are available in Clipchamp, but I think maybe not all, and I hope they will update everything soon. Once you find your language, select that. You can also click on it and filter the specific words. Click on the option Transcribe Media. And now here, you can see it's generating the captions, and you can see the captions are generated, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.